Assalamu alaikum. Yes, YouTube, what's going on? Right, so finally I'm gonna get the car detailed today. My brother's come down from Leicester to specifically, not specifically, we had the Eid celebrations yesterday, but he's here today to do the detailing. Yeah, so we're just gonna go down to the man cave, go and pick up the car, and we're just gonna get cracking on with it. So guys, I'm here at the garage. I'm just going to pull the car out, get it washed and get it started. So check this out. So guys, look at the state of the car already. After it had the last wash, it's been popped up. As you can see, paintwork isn't perfect. Yeah. Yes, it's dusty again. I need to get a car cover for it, but we'll show you the swirl marks later on. But for now, we're just going to get it washed. So let's crack on.
So what we're going to do first, we're going to snow foam the car, and what that will do is loosen any dirt and grime before we do the hand wash. After the snow foam, we'll let that dwell, give it a good hand wash, nice thorough clean, use some iron for light on the paint. Once that's done, we will clay bar. Once we've clay barred the car, we will then polish it, polish out any imperfections, swirls, scratches, and then we will ceramic coat it. That's the plan for today. This is iron fallout remover. So this will remove any iron particles that are stuck in the paint just before we clay bar it. So this is iron fallout remover. It removes any iron particles that are stuck in the paint before we clay. So these will turn purple.
Can just about
You
see
see
it.
purple rain.
Okay.
Limit in the car. Get rid of any other contaminants that might be on the paint. Right, you rinse it.
ना कोई rules, ना restrictions, ना कोई एक reverie. मैनू लगे दी material है दुनिया मतलब दी. रखी थोड़ा फासला वे मैनू allergy. सानू नवे नी तेरी bad energy. कीती ना तू कद जदों प्यार सी वे free. करे सानू phone पूछे busy के मैं free. लगे ना शरीफ सानू लगे नी है freak. Always मैं alert कदी करा ना मैं sleep. कम ना कोई होवे जदों मैं ना in peace. मिले सानू तू सानू मिले दाए ease. गल साडे नाल करे वे तू currencies. रवैये ना लोको always staying overseas. I get high season, baby, come follow me. Industry de vice ain't not be my remedy. I'm a outlaw, me not come with MOB. I get high season, baby, come follow me. Industry de vice ain't not be my remedy. I'm a outlaw, me not come with MOB.
Who's on what, who's on what, who's running my fronting off and it gets on top. Doing laps on a up block, way on God, no cap me and my lot, fully on crud. Late night session, the key code's good, man, I could've went down that Rico did. Now shut down shows and it reload it. Killer came home and it record them. Pull up, boss it, turn around. I've been on the block with a burner out. Bro got the boxes large amount, so then man bang on fake account. Watching who, I ain't watching them, they watching me. For rise it up, I watch them bleed. Ain't got no P, can't ride for free. If I said it, I done it, I do that, fam. And the guns go off like Julia can. And the music thing on me schooling, man. From a young boy, I'm a tool in hand. Wiping my palm, me and him on. And what me, but sure no what me's gone. Man violate, I'll be back or I'm on. I'm still with the bros, supply on demand.
Don Machiavelli, all eyes on me. I get high season, baby.
So now we're at the stage where we're going to correct the paint. This is to get rid of all the minor scratches, swirls and defects. As you can see, it's marred quite badly. So this is now what we're going to correct.
In the street, they reach you and I be my remedy. I'm a outlaw, in a come MOB.
Right, so quick before and after shots. So that's been corrected, 2-stage, cutted and polished. Here's what it used to look like before.
Guys, massive difference. Check the difference out. Can't
Clarity
see
in the paint.
no swirling or anything. But then when you look at the paint up before, wow. Okay.
So once this is done, we'll be applying the ceramic coating.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do now. We're going to finish off the car. And once we've finished off, and I'll show you the final result. Guys, just got done. Check out the paintwork now. It's been ceramic coated, but unfortunately we've lost daylight, so we're having to complete it in the garage. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but looks like a fresh paint job. So I want to shout out a massive thanks to Ash Detailing. I will post his links up in the bio, so check it out, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'm going to end the video right there. Thanks for watching, guys.